Long before smartphones, being human was pretty miserable. It was freezing cold, dark, and honestly, quite boring. But one day, nature changed the game. A random lightning strike, and boom, the world's first fire was born. Our ancestors didn't run away. Driven by curiosity, they crept closer and realized this bright, scary thing was actually incredibly warm. Of course, the first lesson was learned the hard way. Ouch! Fire bites if you touch it. But humans are smart. Instead of touching it, they grabbed a branch and did something revolutionary. They figured out how to steal it and carry it around. By feeding it twigs, they kept this magical light alive. And just like that, the first social network was created. Communities gathered around the warmth, telling stories and sharing ideas. Even better, the terrifying monsters of the night were now absolutely terrified of the flames. We were finally safe. Then came the ultimate happy accident. While handling a tough piece of raw meat, someone dropped it right into the embers. Instead of ruining it, the fire transformed it. The meat turned brown, and a delicious aroma filled the air. The first bite changed everything. It was delicious, soft, and much easier to chew. You see, cooked food takes way less energy to digest. No more spending all day chewing tough, raw fibers. With all that energy saved, our bodies redirected it straight to our heads. Our brains literally started to grow and evolve. We used fire as a tool to shape sharper weapons and jumpstart the beginning of human technology. And that is how a simple spark transformed us from helpless prey into the masters of the planet. Hit that subscribe button for more.